Hi there. This is just a quick demonstration of where to find the tutorial videos for the Thrive Architect website editor. So we're looking at the home page of this particular website, and down the left-hand side we can see the standard WordPress dashboard. And at the very bottom, and you may have to scroll down depending upon the size of your site and your screen, there is a menu item called Thrive Dashboard. And so we just get a submenu when we click on it, and then we click on the Thrive Dashboard item in the submenu. Wait a moment for it to show up here. And then here in the Thrive Architect, we can click View Video Tutorial. And here is the initial tutorial for an overview of how the Thrive editor works. The other thing we can do is click up here on these three little gray dots and select Tutorials. And when we scroll down, you'll see that in addition to the overview video, down here you can see that there's a video for virtually every function inside the Thrive editor, from basic editing all the way through to using callouts and other special features. Each of these are fairly short and walk you through that specific feature within the menu and the software. So hopefully that helps you to get started with understanding how to use the Thrive Themes editing tool.